Hi dear friends, myself Rajesh Yergedla. Today I am going to talk about time. मैं बहुत सारे मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स को सुनता हूँ, बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखता हूँ और वो सारी चीज़ें जो वो बताते हैं, जो उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस है, what they experience from, what they get the experience from their life, they share are very helpful for me. So getting inspired from them. So today I decided to talk about time. Okay, so I have got so much motivated from the professional motivational speakers that today I have got a confidence to speak in front of you. Okay, so topic, what should be a topic? We say that there should be a topic for discussion. So in this pandemic situation, बहुत बुरा हाल है बाहर यार. अब आप सोचो कि अब तो कोरोना वायरस काफ़ी हद तक कंट्रोल में है और आप कह रहे हो बुरा हाल है. सो मैंने शुरू में कहा मैं टाइम के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट टाइम. आई से मे बी कोरोना केसेस हैव बीन reducing or say are under control, but still, what about the time? What about the people those who are still unemployed? Okay, many professionals were working from home. What about those people who were working temporary basis or in any private sectors which were not allowing them to work from home also? See, there are when we run a company, when a company runs, there are different departments. Okay, so higher level department, those who have a skill of operating the system, will be provided a system at home so that he can, what do you say, use the keyboard. He will type, he will send emails, he will be working online. What about the remaining unskilled people? So the main motto of today, making this video, I am making this video just because this time is very tough. Okay, as per my knowledge, as per my study, I have understood, I have come to know that many reputed companies, many well maintained companies have what do you say, decreased their staff. They have removed from them from their jobs. They have left their jobs. It's a very bad thing. So friends, how this, so corona is under control, say we can say, we are proud of our nation, we are proud of our ministers, we are all, and we should be proud of ourselves also, that we have succeeded doing this thing, and we should continue these all things in future also, because corona is not completely vanished. So coming back to the topic, I was talking about time. This is the right time. This is the right time. See whether your friend or enemy. No difference. There should be no differentiation. If anybody is having any kind of trouble, say if anybody is in need of job, and you are knowing any kind of references, if you can refer him somewhere, just refer it. Just refer him. Financial problems, financial conditions if are disturbed at any house. घर में पैसे नहीं होंगे तो घर नहीं चलता. बाहर हर चीज महंगी होती, कर्जे लेने पड़ते, कर्जे देने वाला भी इस मौके का फायदा उठाता. He takes the advantage. He will charge you more interest rate. And then what? After some time, if you are not able to pay, repay the loan amount, क्या होगा? तुम्हारी प्रॉपर्टी कब्जा कर लेंगे. कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा अननेसेसरी अनहोनी नहीं हो. सो बेसिकली टाइम, मैं आज जो बात कर रहा हूँ, वट एवर आई एम टुडे डिस्कसिंग विथ यू all, not only a single person, I am talking to each and every person, that if you have any kind of references, if you have any kind of genuine references, कुछ भी हो, छोटा मोटा काम हो, किसी को भी अगर कोई तकलीफ में है तो उसकी आप हेल्प कीजिए. बस मेरा वीडियो बनाने का यही मकसद था. आई होप दैट ईच एंड एवरीबडी, मैं ये आज समझ रहा हूँ कि सब मेरी बात समझ लेंगे और हर एक की मदद करेंगे. हम एक दूसरे की मदद नहीं करेंगे तो और कौन करेगा. छोटी मोटी प्रॉब्लम है तो ट्राई टू सॉल्व बाय योरसेल्फ. हाँ, और एक चीज, कोई और आके हमारी मदद करेगा इस भरोसे पे मत रहिएगा जो जिनके पास काम नहीं है. सी, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट टाइम. अरे वीडियो तो देख लिया, क्या होगा, कोई ना कोई आके मदद कर देगा, कोई हमें बता देगा यहाँ पर काम है, यहाँ पर नौकरी है, मिल जाएगी. डोंट बी डिपेंडेंट. ओके, सो आई होप द मेन मोटो ऑफ दिस वीडियो इज क्लियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. माय ऑल फ्रेंड्स, colleagues, or say the whole nation, or say, if I say the whole world, if anybody is in requirement of job, if anybody, if you are finding is in crisis situation, please I request, help him out. Okay, that was the only motto of making this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.